金银好跳舞。我的跳舞学校就不会谱，哎，拿上来这样夹去不会谱。
Green leaf tofu is a specialty of the Tiandao, or Thousand Island, lake region of Zhejiang province. This green jelly comes from the leaves of tofu trees. But it's not tofu like the one made from soybeans. The tofu tree is a shrub that grows in the forest and barren mountainous regions.
我名字叫钱建林呐，我是农民，在空的时候吧，就是业余时间嘛，这就生鲜豆腐啊，哎，买卖呢。做家户户基本上都会做，猪呢我们以前都会做。
It's called the tofu tree because the extract from the leaves turns to a tofu-like jelly after you let it set. After the extract is strained through cheesecloth, plant ash is then stirred into the mixture to help solidify it.
再后来我就是开采货啊，开店门的采货了，修商了。这不不，你采的人呢，你采来，我们给你做。卖水果啊，卖菜啊。 种菜卖啊，卖水果。这现在种菜不好种呢，田就是出租给他们做高速公路的人呢。
Like many farmers in China, urban development is at Cheng's doorstep. A large portion of his land will soon become a highway connecting Tiandao Lake to the Huangshan mountain region. In the summer, Cheng and his family farm the hills for peaches and berries and make tofu to sell at the market.
看去其他人那的地方一看就知道的，在九道树林里面它有这个香味的呢，看见香味了就知道这个地方有。
The tofu trees grow wild on the mountainside, making them difficult to harvest.
这个有环境的地方，它容易水淹死的，哎，那阴死啊，哎，收不到阳光，收不到露水啊，有那个沙子的地方有的，哎，哎，打电话，那我其他人参子的可以联系啊，就是你参子的看见树叶吗？大家找，有的人砍掉，种是有人说种起来不长大。 有的大根的呗，有这样大根呗，我们就是给它拔下来，想让它不吞掉啊，给它拔下来，它就根放起来都有哎，因为这个纤维多哎，人对身体也有好处哎。你要如果身负发热的人吃了会降温，走路了关节也不会酸哎。我们想下一次啊，明年啊都要想去采叶子吧，没让它死掉吧，拔来，哦，放起来了，可惜哦。